So we'll be talking about electrification meets automation and how these two actually separate areas actually grow together. And for what? Well, for a more beneficial production, which means less energy, and at the same time, faster processes. So let's please welcome our experts in the field. Here are Helmut Ketterer and Edwin Schirza. Welcome.
So Chris, thank you a lot. Welcome to Electrification Meets Automation. Today, we show how you can benefit from a certified energy management system. So let's listen to our customer.
Hello? Yeah, Wolfgang Müller speaking. We have a problem. Yeah, we had an auditor in our production. He found out that last year our energy consumption was way too high. He said this was due to our old gift packaging machine. In addition to that, the machine failed quite often, so we would urgently need a new machine. Please find a solution. Yeah, thanks. Thanks, and talk to you soon.
Well, this customer is in a quite tough spot, isn't he? So he has to update his machine before Mother's Day in so few days only. So you experience time pressure in your work? I think you are. You? I think it's quite common, right? So in the end, what we have to do is rather clear. This machine is defined. The physical layout is clear. The functionality is very clear. But Edwin, my automation engineer, I think we can do something about the control cabinet, right?
And now many of you would definitely say, let's take this opportunity to maybe integrate more innovations. What about more efficient drives? And I'm also thinking of maybe software support, support from some software tools to look for energy waste maybe. We heard that from our customer.
Exactly. On the other side, the customer was as well mentioning that the machine was failing quite frequently, and that's a big concern. Power quality issues are a frequent cause of such issues. So therefore, we should monitor power quality and implement that functionality in the machine as well. Since the new machine will be much more efficient, energy consumption will be lower, I think we have to redo the fusing as well, Edwin.
Now, many of you might think, nice ideas. However, that all ends up with maybe a new cabinet, control cabinet. The question is, for all of us, do we really need to rebuild a completely new prototype of our control cabinet, or are there maybe other alternatives?
Prototype is always the basis of our work. But these days, we do that virtually. So that means we are building a digital twin. We don't have to use any more physical components, build up the real component. We are not anymore only drawing single line diagrams for the electrical layout. No, with the tools of digitalization, we have all data in our system. The 3D CAD data, for example, we can use to build and model, test, and simulate even the complete machine before we have to get physically building the application and ordering components. After I've done that, I simply let out the bill of material. And Edwin, you can do something with the bill of material on the automation side, right?
I'm going to take that bill of material from you, since there I will find exactly those hardware and software components which I have to consider in my new automation program. And I can configure the new automation while you are redesigning the cabinet.
Right. As an electrical engineer, I know that the energy supply, the power supply, is the basis of any automation. So we're using standard components here. That means communication is ensured, data gets exchanged automatically.
And this communication is something what I can use to combine and unify both worlds, automation components and electrification components, in one tool like TIA Portal, the totally integrated automation portal of Siemens. There we get both worlds integrated.
Well, the TIA portal, I think, is known for automation but can I configure already electrical components as well as automation components there?
Definitely. As a matter of fact, everything starts with a common communication network. That can be set up by TIA Portal very easily. Even the IP addresses can be assigned very easily. And later, we can also have a common visualization for operating and visualizing everything, again in one system, in the TIA Portal.
Impressive. So actually, I think that's a really good feature. On the other side, isn't it too complicated and too complex for me or for automation engineers?
No longer. In the past, you might have needed more tools to, let's say, configure and run different products. However, thanks to TIA Portal, that all has become obsolete. Again, one tool for everything.
Yeah, hello, this is Wolfgang Müller again. I forgot to mention that the new machine must be integrated in our energy management system. We need full energy transparency. Yeah, please consider that the new machine can't be more expensive. Yeah, thanks. Bye.
So, ladies and gentlemen, this is real life. While we are redesigning the cabinet, our customer is facing new requirements, which we have to consider in our work, in the planning phase. I, as an automation guy, am really happy that he has already selected the right components from the Siemens portfolio. For example, Simatic products, Centron, Sirius, or Synamics. Since, thanks to digitalization, all these products can not only do their job, but also capture the energy consumption at the same time. I, as an automation guy, don't have to care for energy data recalculation. Everything is done by TIA Portal. And later, if our customer wants to, for example, expand the system in 1 or 2 years' time, because they need some new meters, some whatever it is, they can easily expand the system without touching your cabinet design.
Yes, and you saw, even though we were under a lot of time pressure here, the customer was coming and changing, giving us a change order within the process. So we were able to actually include that change order with the tools of digitalization. I think we have achieved a good job.
And now I am getting this final bill of material. Since there, I will find those new products, hardware, software, or automation and electrification components to order them in the Siemens Mall, since we need them right in time at our customer side. We want to commission the machine right in time to provide the correct data, operational and consumption data for our customers and plant operators. And don't forget, these are gift wrapping machine, and there we will get the correct gifts for the Mother's Day, since the gifts on that day are more important than those even for Christmas maybe.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the perfect interplay between electrification, automation and digitalization has resulted in a real fast, flexible and efficient process for us. So we have achieved a lot of benefits for our customer. Let's listen if he is happy.
Yeah, hello, this is again Wolfgang Müller. Yeah, so I would like to thank you. The new machine is running very well. The energy consumption is much lower and we had no more failures. And thanks to the energy transparency, our employees were able to optimize the production process even further. So thanks again for realizing this so quickly and on a short notice. Bye-bye.
So, what did we do today? We managed to redesign the machine under time pressure in a very short time. We even managed, given all these time constraints, to implement new requirements concerning the energy management. We can provide now our plant operators, our customer, with energy data as well as operation data. So they have been able to reduce their energy footprint. And that all has been possible because we could integrate by means of TIA Portal all three core topics: digitalization, electrification, and automation in one system.
Exactly. And Edwin, it goes even further than that. 126 meters from right here, over there on the Siemens stand, we show you exactly this application. And even more advanced, the upload of all this energy data into MindSphere, our open IoT ecosystem, where you can build your applications. There are some predefined ones, so please discover together with us for your applications how you can benefit from the tools of digitalization. Thank you very much.
Thank you.